So we've introduced this new rigging frame to our training regime. It's a really useful tool for you guys to problem solve and practice all of your more technical exercises in a very small and controlled environment where we can train and we can undertake a number of exercises in a short period of time to ensure that you actually understand what the exercises mean and you can think about the problem-solving issues of rope access. Obviously, can we do that on the ropes? It takes 40 minutes or so to undertake a rescue, whereas I can undertake the same rescue maybe 5 or 6 times in the same period of time. So another invaluable resource we have here is the training videos of every single one of your exercises from level 1 all the way through to level 3. Every time we're getting confused of an exercise, we can go to the television and we can re-watch it on the video, ensuring that you understand what you're doing again before you get onto the ropes. So training here is quite different from other places. We have a low-level training frame. We have the technical videos that guys watch every single day and they also watch in the evenings. And also all of our trainers demonstrate the exercises ourselves. We get in our harnesses and also do demonstrations.